Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10. It's a lot easier than what most people think it is. Well, here we go. Well, once you insert your boot device, you'll be prompted with this menu. Oh, here we go. Alright, what you want to do is hit next and then hit install now. And then it's going to set up a starting. And then you're going to be prompted to enter a product key. To bypass this, I don't have a product key. And then you can choose which version of Windows 10 you want to install. I'm just going with Windows 10 Home. Accept the license agreement and hit next. And then you hit custom. And then you should see your unformatted hard drive. Your miles may vary with this part. In certain instances, it would show your hard drive being formatted into the 4 different parts. This is a fresh hard drive, so we're going to hit next. And then what it's going to do is it's going to copy everything over to the hard drive, and then it's going to install. Again, your miles may vary with this. So which just shouldn't take that long. It should maybe take a few minutes. Well, I will pause this video until it's done. This part's done because I know you don't want to see this. So, yep, I will see y'all in a little bit. Yeah, I'm back. Well, what it's doing now is it's restarting. So, we're just going to let it restart and do its thing. And yeah, I'm in a virtual machine. So, that's why again, your miles may vary. So, after it restarts, ready, which will take another few minutes. Oh, I'm sorry, starting services, getting devices ready. Again, your miles may vary with this. I'm installing this on a VM, or virtual machine, so it's gonna be faster than trying to install it on actual hardware. So I'm just going to pause the video and be back when it changes. Alright, I'm back. So apparently, as you just saw, it just restarted again. Now it will restart a few times. Which is normal. Now in just a moment you'll hear Cortana speaking. Cortana is, to me personally, a little bit annoying.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
How to mute her?
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there.
You just hit the microphone down here, and it mutes her. Me personally, I think Cortana is a great idea, but it's also a pain in the butt. Alright. Whatever region you are. I'm in the US, so I hit yes. Yes again. Skip, unless you want to add another keyboard layout. It's going to install some updates, and then we'll continue. Now this step is also where you would have to enter your Wi-Fi information if you're using Wi-Fi. I am not, so. Alrighty. You have the option to sign in with your Microsoft account. We're not going to do this, so I'm going to hit an offline. Now to sign in with your Microsoft account, you would just, let me enter mine. And then you have you hit next, and then you hit your password. Then after that, it'll be the same. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to create an offline account. No. Alright. Choose a name, so I'm going to choose my name. Can't type. After you choose your name, hit next. Password, same thing. So I'm just going to create a simple password. Again, enter it again to verify said password. This password doesn't not match. Please try typing it in. Alright, security questions. We're doing this step just because we're using an offline account. So, again, these are not my real... excuse me. The only reason why we're doing this is because of an offline account. So, alrighty, hit next, and 2 out of 3. Oh. And then 3 out of 3. Yada yada yada. So I will put just gibberish. Now you want to access devices across. Do you want to do more across devices with activity history? Basically, what that means is if you're starting one thing on your desktop, you can move over to your laptop to finish it. I'm going to hit yes. And this is where Cortana comes into play. Now you have the option to let Cortana help you or not. In this case, I am not. Now, these are the privacy settings. Online speech destination, turn off, turn off, turn off, 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 off. Nope. Me personally, I turn all these off. You can leave them on. And then after that, you hit accept, and then it's gonna finish up. So while it's doing this, basically what it's doing is it's writing everything to the hard drive, finishing up the touches, applying the finishing touches. I can't speak. So yeah, again, your miles may vary with this part. It can take up to a minute to about, longest I've seen, about 20 minutes. And hopefully this shouldn't take too long. That's why it says this might take several minutes. If this looks familiar, it's because they carried it over from Windows 8 to Windows 10. The only difference is Windows 10 does not have the different colors, which I like. Okay, here we go. Here's your Windows 10 desktop. Let me install VM tools. Alrighty, install. Yes. And each time you install a program, you have that security box that pops up, which is fine. Hit complete, hit next, install. Now it's going to install VM tools to get the full 1080p desktop and all that good stuff. Why the screen just flickered like that is because it installed the graphics card. Alrighty. Hit finish. You must restart. Yada yada yada. And okay, yep, let's hit restart. Now it's gonna prompt you to restart it every time you install drivers. Almost every time. Which it's fine. It's just Microsoft. They love to make you restart your computer all the time. See, now it prompts for the password, so we enter the password. And there we go. And there's our Windows 10 desktop. As you should know this already. The Start menu was carried over from Windows 8 as well. All these tiles and all these, well, let me rephrase that, Windows 8.1. Alrighty. So, which these tiles ain't that bad, it's just, yeah. You can uninstall these, unpin, uninstall, unpin, unpin. Yep. So what I'm doing is just unpinning all these tiles, and it makes the start menu smaller, which I actually like. That. And then if you want to uninstall a program, you go down there to the search bar and type add or remove. And bring up the settings box, and there's all the programs that's already installed on your computer. So all I'm going to do is uninstall Skype, which is uninstalling. Uninstall OneNote, we do the same way. You left click on it and hit uninstall. And that's how you uninstall programs that's installed on your computer. And then if you right click on your desktop, it brings up this little thingy. So we'll go down to personalize. As you may notice, Well, this version's not active, so it's fine. As you may notice with a lot of things, it brings up the settings. This is what the settings looks like. And that's where you make sure your windows are updated. And then if you want to get to your hard drives, or your CD drives, or heck, even your floppy drive, if you still have one of those connected, you would go to this PC and it would show you, let me eject that. Oh, see, there's your C drive, and there's your D drive. And then all those are the shortcuts to your computer. The more you use a certain folder, they will become up here to the quick access. And then if you want to change the start menu, you would go to personalize, go to taskbar, and then use small taskbar button, which unfortunately I cannot do because I cannot activate this version of Windows. And same thing, if you want to change your background picture, change your colors and all that good stuff, you would go here. Well, that pretty much sums it up. I hope you enjoy this quick tutorial on how to install Windows 10. Hit the thumbs up and feel free to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Well, I will talk at y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Peace.